Hello everyone, this is Rita Yadav and you are on Gate Chemical Planet. I would like to thank all the dear students who subscribed my channel and I welcome all of you on Gate Chemical Planet. So this is the series in continuation with the HPCL previous year questions on mass transfer. Here we will discuss some more questions on mass transfer because the mass transfer is very important subject for all the examination, either it is a gate examination or the other IOCL, bar, ISRO and other competitive examination paper. So here student we are discussing the mass transfer. So question number 11th is operating velocity in a packed tower is usually how much times the flooding velocity. So here the operating velocity in a packed tower is asked how much times of the flooding velocity. So it is half times of the flooding velocity. So for this the answer is B. So now we will move on question number 12. The dimension of diffusivity is same as that of the density, velocity head, the concentration or the kinematic viscosity. So student, the unit of diffusivity is same as that of kinematic viscosity and the value of unit is meter square per second or centimeter square per second. Okay, so this is the diffusivity DAB and the unit of diffusivity and the kinematic viscosity both are same, meter square per second. So now we will move on the next question. T percolation employs. So T percolation employs the leaching process. Okay, it is not the adsorption, liquid extraction or the adsorption. The T percolation employs the leaching process. Leaching is also known as the solid liquid extraction. Okay, solid liquid extraction. So it is the leaching process, okay, by which T percolation employs. So here question number 14 is in a distillation operation the total reflux required. Okay, so when the total reflux required in the distillation operation. So here four options are given and the correct option is minimum number of plates. Other options are infinite number of plates, minimum reboiler and condenser load, flow of fresh feed must continue. So for total reflux condition in distillation column, the minimum number of plates are required, are minimum. So the correct answer is A. Question number 15. Dry bulb temperature, which is also known as DBT, of a gas is. So in the question about the dry bulb temperature of a gas is asked, it is less than wet bulb temperature, WBT, more than WBT, equal to WBT or none of these. So student, dry bulb temperature of a gas is more than the wet bulb temperature. So the option B is correct for this. Okay, so option B is correct. Now we will move on to the 16th question number. After absorption of ammonia in water, the ammonia is subsequently recovered by which process? Okay, so in this question is from the absorption side. Here the question is, again I am reading for you. After absorption of ammonia in water, the ammonia is subsequently recovered or also the removed by, okay, which process? So leaching, extraction, adsorption and distillation are the options here. The answer is distillation process. Ammonia is subsequently recovered or removed by the distillation process. Okay, so B option is correct for this. Okay, so now we will move on the next question. 17 question. When solid is dried, then what happened? Okay, so when solid is dried, then what happened? The mass transfer take place, heat transfer take place, both heat and mass transfer take place, or the none of these. So student, when a solid is dried, okay, so two types of processes occurs. Okay, first is the mass transfer as well as the heat transfer. Both processes take place. So here option C is correct. Question number 18th is heuristic rule is used. So where heuristic rule is used? So here I am giving the hint also. Okay, so heuristic rule is used to make the calculation easier in distillation. Okay, so to make calculation easy, it is used in the distillation process. Okay, so heuristic rule is used in the distillation. It is not used in evaporation, crystallization, extraction. It is used in the distillation operation. So student, if you have not watched my last videos on the HPCL previous year question series, then the link of all the videos are given in the description box. Go to the link and watch the full video there, and subscribe to GATE Chemical Planet as much as possible. Okay, and share my videos as much as possible. Okay, so now we will move on to 19 question. Separation by distillation is not possible when relative volatility alpha is equal to. So the separation by distillation is not possible when it is asked in question, what is the value of relative volatility of alpha when the separation by distillation is not possible. So student, when the value of relative volatility alpha is equal to 1, when alpha equals to 1, then separation by distillation is not possible. So the correct option is C, 1. Okay, so now we will move to the next question. The operating velocity in packed column should be 50 to 70% of the. Question from the flooding and from the packed columns, where it is asked that the operating velocity in the packed column should be 50 to 70% of the which value? Area of the column, the length of the column, the diameter of the packed column, or the flooding velocity. So student, the operating velocity is half of flooding velocity. So it should be 50 to 70% of the flooding velocity. So this question is quite similar to the question number 11th also, where the value of operating velocity is asked how much times of flooding velocity. So this question covers two questions basically. First is operating velocity in packed column is how much times of the flooding velocity. So it is 50 to 70% of the flooding velocity. Okay, so I think all these questions are very important for your examination. Either you are going for the HPCL examination, or for ISRO examination, or for BARC examination. This series is going to be very beneficial. So after your HPCL exam, you can see this series for other examination also, because the pattern of the questions are similar in so many examination. So you can watch these videos for your other exams also. Okay, thank you so much. Have a nice day, and subscribe to GATE Chemical Planet. Okay, thank you so much.